Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome to a weekend vlog. So today is Saturday. I did not vlog yesterday. Like anyway, Saturday, Sunday is still the weekend, right? So I'm just gonna be vlogging my activity, what I'm gonna be doing, what I do during the weekend. It's just a bunch of randomness, okay? So just stay tuned in this video and please, okay, pull a modiciel. Ignore my face because I don't know what's going on in my face. My face is just irritating, like it's a lot, okay? It's a lot. Just ignore it. You're not seeing my face, okay? So let's just get into this vlog. Let me just go right now. I want to do breakfast and let me kind of show you what I'm putting on right now. So I just have my waist trainer on. This waist trainer does the job, okay? It literally does the job, and I'm trying to train myself to put this on 6 hours a day, like definitely 6 hours a day, but I'm trying, okay? I didn't say I'm trying because it's not easy. If you want to get this waist trainer, let me know down in the comment section, or I'll leave my email down in my description box so that you can like get it. And that's my little sis back there. For breakfast today, I just want to do my fried average or French fries, aka as some people call it, but basically it's fried average. Oh, you guys, I didn't tell you, I went to Boya. I went to my sister's place. I have some few things to do in school, so I came here and I still have to put content up for you guys. Oh, my sister is just watching Alia's face. This is what I hate about Alice, because at the beginning wow, some of my potatoes are literally burning up while the others are not even going nowhere. Like, what is wrong with you? So I have my potatoes ready and just have one from spaghetti. This is like a leftover from yesterday, so let me go enjoy my let me set you guys up. Hey guys, so it's the next day. The time today is Sunday, obviously, and the time now is about 7:30 a.m. and I want to like do my morning workout. I already started doing it. Like, if you can tell, I'm sweating. After the workout, I go to church. After church, then I'll go to the market and get some fruits because I want to do like fruit juice, something like that today. So let's go do my workout. And so this is what my today's workout fit is looking like. I just have on a different legging, my waist trainer and my bralette. I want to do some warm-up like jumping, and I have to do like ab and booty workout. I'm not going to do the complete workout with the waist trainer because it's super tight, but for the warm-up I'm going to do it with my waist trainer, and it's just going to be like jumping the rope. So let's get into it. You're coming back from? Why are you coming back from?
The market, guys.
Or just coming back from the market?
Guys, can you guys imagine? There's one lady gave her money and she had to give her change back, and like she wanted to give us double the money we gave her. Can you guys imagine that? Like double.
And she had to give it back. That's the best thing to do.
It's honesty, guys. It's just honesty, because honestly,
it will happen to you one day and the person will not give it back. So it's good to always give it back when that kind of thing happens.
Yeah.
Let's meet at home, okay? Let me not show you guys. So yeah, we're at home now. I just want to do like a green juice. I know I told you guys that I was gonna do fruit juice, but I just changed my mind because you know it's the time of the month and taking any sweet thing now is gonna be harmful for me. So I'll just do like a green juice for like a slimming green juice. That's just it. So for it, I have cucumber. I have some celery, which I'm gonna be using. Can y'all see me? Anyway, I'm not the main point of interest right now. Some ginger, and I'm just gonna press these 2 lemons inside. So let's go. What I like to do is I cut this 2 edges of this cucumber. Cut it in half and then I like blending cucumber, you guys, because eating it like that, I don't like those seeds inside at all. So I prefer to blend it so that everything goes easily. Now that the cucumber is in, going with the celery. Then ginger, this much. You don't want to put a lot because if you put it much, it's gonna be hot, very hot. Then I have my 2 lemons. I'm just gonna press it in this. You want to ensure that you take out all the possible lemon seeds so that it won't cause your juice to be bitter. So I'm just taking those seeds out. So yeah, I just noticed that squeezing that lemon, I was not really getting the juice out of it like the way I wanted. So I'll just peel it. I'll peel it like the way they peel mandarin or orange. Like get all the peeling off and just blend it. You see that? This is what we want. I'm just ensuring that I take out all the seeds. Like I said from the beginning, you can really make your juice really bitter. Heat up the machine. So you want to get this much water. Like this is enough. And you blend. Let's go drink our juice. So guys, for lunch today I'm just doing hot pot, potato, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. So let me like show you guys what it's looking like. I just parboiled the Irish and now I'm just frying it with that one. Then I make the sauce and mix everything together. This is what the sauce is looking like right now. What I'm just gonna do is that I'll just add the fried Irish to it. Oh, I'm just gonna let that cook. So guys, this is what the finished lunch is looking like. Okay, let me go enjoy my lunch. So you guys, it's already evening, about 8 a.m. right now. I'm sorry, 8 p.m. right now. So I just wanted to come on here. Sylvia has something to show you guys, so stay tuned. And first of all, sorry for the lighting. It's late at night already and there is no longer sunlight, daylight, and that's the only thing I literally used to film with. But that notwithstanding, hope this is gonna faire affaire.
Okay guys, we met like when we were coming back from the market. So yeah, we went to the market today, and you know when you've planned to go get something at the market, and you know you just meet random things, you buy random things, like things that you've been looking for that you could not get like that, but that lucky day when you go to the market you see it, and luckily when you have money on you, you can easily purchase. There's this beautiful designer shoes I saw online. I just saw it like randomly. I wasn't expecting to go buy something like that, but I just saw it and I said let me buy it. So guys, let me show you. Okay, this is it. Let me take it out from here. Yeah guys,
It's a beautiful piece though.
yeah, so guys, this is what I got.
Come closer, show them, let them see.
Okay,
Gorgeous pair of slippers, high heel slippers.
yeah guys, I love it, it's really nice. I know some of you guys might be like, but not everybody has the same taste though, but it's classy. So yeah, I'm just so happy for the purchase because I had not planned it. So yeah guys, that's what we want to show you guys. Hope you love my shoes and hope you enjoy this vlog.
Hi again, beautiful people. I just want to come on here and like end this vlog officially, end the vlog. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. J'espère que vous avez eu un très bon moment avec moi. I hope you had a nice time, and if you aren't already subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you've watched this video up to this level, comment down below glamour. Comment down below, then I'll know that you watched this video up to the end. Catch you all in my next video. Bye guys.